5,000 years old, the oldest textbook of modern astronomy, and one of the oldest surviving texts in the world, was written by Rigveda scientists. Pre-Rigveda astronomers had explained such advanced concepts as the sphericity of the Earth. Whilst most of the Western world will believe the Earth is flat, heliocentricity, meanwhile and for quite some time afterwards, Western scientists would still talk about the Earth being the center, geocentricity. The pre-Rigveda astronomers had provided an astronomical explanation for the seasons, as well as for the auroral displays. The earliest reference to the zodiacal signs can be found in the Rigveda. Earth as a sphere. The sun does never set nor rise. When people think the sun is setting, it is not so. For after having arrived at the end of the day, it makes itself produce two opposite effects, making night to what is below and day to what is on the other side. Having reached the end of the night, it makes itself produce two opposite effects, making day to what is below, and night to what is on the other side. In fact, the sun never sets. Earth has been flat at the poles and the age of the Earth. 24 centuries before Isaac Newton, the Rigveda stated that gravitation held the universe together. The Aryans believed in a spherical Earth, while the Greeks believed in a flat one. As a matter of fact, the Markandeya Purana describes the Earth as being flat at the poles, and bulging at the equator, not spherical, but closer to its actual shape. Indians in 500 AD calculated Earth's age as 4.3 billion years. Scientists in 19th century England were convinced it was 100 million years old. The Markandeya Purana states the phases of the moon, the cause of twilight, and the reason why the sky is blue, scattered sunlight. The sun as the center of the solar system, and stars being suns. Not only did the Vedas recognize the sun as the source of light, life and warmth, the center of creation, and of the sphere's heliocentricity, they also contemplated the idea of multiple suns, stars,